Hi and welcome. It's Peg, and today I am pulling the Pick a Stick Challenge sticks. This is a Facebook group. We do this each month. We do a journal page, a tag, and a artist trading card each month. And so what I have here is a basket of sticks, and this is the challenge. And so I'm going to fill it out for the month of October. First thing is to draw colors. You know, the colors are on the purple sticks. First color is cocoa, and the second color is, oops, I got two, orange. Okay, so we got cocoa and orange. Oh, good colors for October, right? All right, so cocoa and orange. Then we need, let's see, we need two green, which are products. So I'm going to grab one green there. One, gotta get this out of here. One, it's stuck. One green there, two orange sticks. So there's one orange there, and oh, I just had that one. Oh, that one orange. Just had that one. All right, not pulling the right sticks here. All right, that looks better. What's this one? Okay, we got two orange. We've got one descriptive, which is the blue. So let me get a blue here, descriptive. We've got two action, which are the reds. Let me get a couple of red out here. That one and that one. And then we need one yellow for a shape. So let me grab a shape in here. We've had that one. Spiral. I don't think we've had that. Okay. So we've got our stuff. So now I just mix them up and put them down here. And we're going to pull plastic. And grab another stick, card. And spiral. And humorous. And collage. And edit. And these two are the wild cards, which are, we've had that one. Let's get a different one. Let's get a different green. Pen and sprinkle. Now I will get a graphic for this and put it in the Facebook group. That will be Pick a Stick Challenge Facebook group. So that's number one, and it will be Pick a Stick Challenge, PASC for 1019. Next up we have this is the altered tag for 1019, and we need a color to start with, which is cocoa. And then we need 4 sticks. Get a hold of one here. Collage. And edit. And spiral. And humorous. And the wild card will be pen. Okay, so that's it for the tag. And lastly is the Artist Trading Card Challenge. We need a color, which is going to be orange. We need a wild card, which is going to be spiral. We need humorous. And card. And let's see, what color don't we have out here? Green. Pen. Okay, so those are our sticks. That's our challenge, and hope to see you on Facebook or YouTube, and use the hashtags provided so that we can find what you've been making, and I'll see you in October with my challenge. Bye.